Imagine having your own ChatGPT, but it's all about your business. Pretty neat, right? That's what MarketingBlocks CustomGPT ChatBots is all about. It's like giving your website a super smart buddy who knows everything about your company. Transform your customer experience with data-driven, intelligent chatbots with MarketingBlocks CustomGPT. Imagine revolutionizing your customer interactions with a chatbot that truly understands your business. That's exactly what MarketingBlocks CustomGPT ChatBots offers you. By leveraging the cutting-edge AI technology of ChatGPT, MarketingBlocks create a solution that's not just powerful, but perfectly aligned with your specific business needs. Think about it, a chatbot that's trained on your unique business data. This means lightning-fast responses that are not just quick, but remarkably accurate. It's like having a virtual expert on your team, available 24/7, providing consistent, high-quality customer service. But here's the real game changer, the unmatched level of customization. Your chatbot becomes an extension of your brand, speaking your language, understanding your products, and representing your values. This isn't just a chatbot, it's your chatbot. The results? Skyrocketing customer engagement and satisfaction. It's that easy. And the best part? This little AI friend of yours can handle customer questions, help your team out, and even train new folks. No more making people wait around for answers. Oh, and if you're into other AI stuff, MarketingBlocks has got you covered. They've got a whole bunch of tools for things like building pages, making graphics, writing content, and even cloning voices. It's like an AI playground over there. So yeah, that's the deal. Pretty cool way to jazz up your online game and keep your customers happy, if you ask me. Don't settle for generic solutions when you can have a tailored AI powerhouse working for you. Embrace the future of customer interaction with MarketingBlocks CustomGPT ChatBots. It's not just an investment in technology, it's an investment in your business's success. Hit the link below to experience the power of the MarketingBlocks for free now.